Take it down. Crush it. Powerful machinery, fast cuts, and the thrill of raw power will make for an exciting ride. Buckle up, things are about to get exciting. Oh no, a dramatic topple-the-wood truck suddenly tipped over, causing the entire load of logs to slide off onto the road. You'll be amazed. The Volvo wood harvester, equipped with a powerful engine delivering up to 320 horsepower, operates reliably in all conditions. This machine easily cuts, gathers, and transports wood quickly, delivering outstanding performance for modern forestry. Wow, they thought cutting down a rotten tree would be easy, but it turned into a lesson they'll never forget. The moment the saw touched the trunk, it suddenly snapped and collapsed, sending debris flying everywhere. The cutter panicked and ran as the tree came crashing down dangerously. The Sawquip excavator saw has proven to be an invaluable asset in wood processing. With its ability to saw wood quickly and safely right from the excavator's cabin, the job becomes much easier and more efficient. The powerful logging truck, the pinnacle of strength, pulls tons of wood across the slippery road. Its wheels dig deep into the snow, moving each heavy log steadily through every obstacle. It's a majestic sight, showcasing endurance and exceptional technique. These are the moments that keep you glued to the action. Grinding hardwood stumps with the Stump Boss, a powerful and reliable machine, easily tackles even the toughest tasks. With raw power, the Stump Boss rips through hardwood, crushing any obstacles in its path. Truly a breakthrough. The Belarus MTZ 1221.2, with its custom-built heavy-duty trailer, is harvesting wood in the forest, even in slippery conditions. Its wheels dig deep into the ground, pulling heavy logs through tough terrain. A majestic sight, showcasing the machine's outstanding power and capability. It truly is a legend. The LP-49 silently hauls wood through deep forests, undeterred by harsh weather and rugged terrain. With its enduring power and optimized design, this machine continues to operate smoothly, becoming a formidable symbol in the logging industry. Have you ever seen the true power of modern machinery? The new Volvo L180H high-lift wheel loader, equipped with a 329 horsepower engine, operates with impressive power and stability. With its high lifting reach and superior load capacity, this machine effortlessly handles large amounts of wood with exceptional efficiency. Witness the extraordinary power of machinery. The Sisu Polar Euro 5 is a powerful wood transport machine, specifically designed for the harsh mountainous terrain. With a durable engine, high load capacity, and exceptional stability, it ensures superior performance in any condition. The massive machine efficiently chops wood, turning each log into wood chips with precision. Each powerful cut processes the wood quickly and smoothly. This scene showcases the scale and advanced technology in industrial wood processing, full of strength and efficiency. How did they manage this? You won't believe your eyes. The largest oak tree is split in half by a custom-built, incredibly creative machine. The sharp steel blade spins powerfully, and thick layers of wood tear apart with a deep, resonating roar. It's a breathtaking and astonishing sight. The intense struggle of the operators using the Halverson wood processor on the Kubota is absolutely gripping. The machinery roars to life, and the sharp cutting blades slice through large logs. The worker stays focused, hands steady on the controls, battling the challenges of the deep forest, creating a truly dramatic scene. Have you ever seen such a powerful machine? At USD Olimsk LPK, the giant loader operates like a true beast, grabbing each heavy log quickly and accurately. Its incredible efficiency makes the entire process smooth and impressive.
Turut tial pemuatan kayu ini Kalimantan Timur, bagian Sangkulira.
Unbelievable. Enormous logs. The scene is truly impressive as the logging equipment is overloaded, unable to fit on the truck. Huge logs pile up, making the truck wobble under the weight. The sheer size and weight of the wood create a tense and challenging situation.
Yuk.
The 527-track tractor roars with power, inching the improperly loaded Oshkosh and 1070 truck through difficult terrain. The coordination between the machine's strength and the operator's skill has made it possible to tackle this challenging situation. The design of Apicort is truly ingenious. They've developed a special wood wrapping film that makes storing firewood on pallets much easier to handle. These pallets not only make transportation more convenient, but also allow for neat stacking, saving space efficiently. The industrial firewood sawdust factory operates with a closed and efficient process. Modern machinery, from wood saws to briquette presses, plays a key role in cutting, splitting, and pressing firewood into compact blocks. Each step is carried out with precision, resulting in high-quality firewood products, ready to meet industrial and household needs. Can you believe it? This is a technique for cutting down trees near a house without letting the tree fall onto the building. Truly incredible. The worker carefully controls each cut, calculating the perfect direction for the tree to fall. This impressive skill ensures complete safety for the surrounding structures. Nothing's faster and more efficient than processing wood with the powerful Cinnebogan 830, the mobile crawler. This machine works swiftly, moving, cutting, and neatly stacking logs in the blink of an eye. Time is money, and this vehicle saves both, delivering outstanding productivity. Shredding dry stumps after treatment with the self-propelled machine, wood chips fly in all directions. The machine operates powerfully, its rotating blades continuously grinding the dry stump into fine mulch. It's a scene full of power, showcasing the incredible efficiency of modern technology.